Welcome to my channel, and today we are talking about the legendary 2001 Honda CG125, a motorcycle that has earned massive respect on the roads and in the hearts of riders across South Asia. This bike is not just a machine, it's a symbol of reliability, simplicity, and everyday performance. The 2001 model of the Honda CG125 represents a time when motorcycles were built to last, with strong engines and minimal electronics, making them perfect for daily use in all kinds of conditions. The 2001 Honda CG125 comes with a 124cc four-stroke, air-cooled engine that is known for its durability and smooth power delivery. This engine produces dependable performance whether you are riding through busy city streets or cruising on open rural roads. One of the biggest strengths of this bike is its pushrod engine design, which allows it to handle rough roads, heat, and long hours of riding without any major issues. Even today, many of these engines are still running strong, which tells you everything about Honda's build quality. When it comes to design, the 2001 Honda CG125 keeps things simple and practical. It features a classic fuel tank shape, a flat, comfortable seat, and a straight riding posture that makes long rides less tiring. The chrome touches on the exhaust and mirrors give it a timeless look, while the overall lightweight frame makes the bike easy to handle for riders of all ages. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced rider, the CG125 feels friendly and predictable on the road. Fuel efficiency is another reason why the 2001 Honda CG125 became so popular. This bike is known for delivering excellent mileage, making it a perfect choice for daily commuters. With rising fuel prices, a motorcycle like this proves to be extremely economical. The simple carburetor system is easy to maintain and can be repaired by almost any local mechanic, which keeps ownership costs very low. The suspension setup on the 2001 Honda CG125 is basic but effective. The telescopic front forks and rear shock absorbers are designed to handle uneven roads comfortably. The drum brakes may feel old school, but they provide reliable stopping power for everyday riding. The bike's balance and stability give riders confidence, especially in traffic or on rough surfaces. Overall, the 2001 Honda CG125 is a true workhorse. It is a motorcycle that focuses on practicality rather than fancy features. Its strong engine, low maintenance cost, and excellent fuel economy make it a timeless choice. Even after many years, this bike continues to be loved and respected, proving that true quality never goes out of style. If you appreciate simple, reliable, and honest motorcycles, the 2001 Honda CG125 is definitely one that deserves your respect.